President Emerson Mnangagwa's spokesperson George Charamba on Friday shared an email sent by one John Doe to Fastjet about a bomb threat at the Victoria Falls International Airport. Before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you keep on receiving latest updates from our channel. The letter, which Charamba claimed forced Mnangagwa's plane to abort its landing at the airport and return to Harare, was sent on 1st March 2024 at 8:10 a.m. and it reads, "Credible bomb firearms threat boarding AirZim BUQ to VFA 1st March 2024 and other flights that day. Was part of the operation but could not go through with it myself. Targets are flights and the conference in VFA. They know I have absconded, so flight dates may change, but original plan was tomorrow. Have armed militia already in VFA, staying at NL and Shearwater Explorers Village. May have moved already. Some armed colleagues and bombs already in Vic Falls. Threat is imminent. Alert authorities immediately." In an earlier statement, Charamba said that as a precaution, the country's security systems have been put on heightened alert. Following this message, whose source and credibility are also being investigated. So this is the letter that sparked the misunderstanding and tension between ED Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, because everyone is now throwing suspensions and it even led to firing of Air Force commander. So let us know what you think. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you keep on receiving latest updates from Zim News Live.